Kathy Nichols, and I'm a lifelong artist, painter, and teacher. I help students of all ages tap into their creativity with watercolor. Watercolor is a great way to express yourself, and it's easy to get started and fun to do. My watercolor lessons are designed for beginners of all ages. No theory and not too technical. Just follow along with me. I hope you join me to learn how to paint with watercolor. I can't wait to see your paintings. Sometimes people don't have the time, ability, money, or space to take a lesson, but they still like to watch the creative process. In this video, we'll explore who might want to just watch and what the benefits are to them. Some who might just want to watch include people with disabilities and their caregivers, busy homemakers, people who work jobs from home, and other watercolor creators. Caregivers can benefit by giving emotional comfort to their patients. It relieves boredom, provides mental stimulation, and provides food for thought for conversation. It can trigger good memories. One of our viewers said the Beagle lesson reminded her of one she had as a child. Homemakers and at-home workers can play a lesson in the background to keep them company. Watching the creative process can be a good way to relax during a break or after the kids are in bed. Some also preview the lesson to see if they want to take it later. Watercolor creators can pick up new tips and techniques, get new ideas for their own paintings, and connect with me through comments, mutual subscriptions, and email. I hope you enjoy watching my lessons and sharing them with others. Feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.